Hi, I'm Marcel from Pyrodigital, and in this video I will explain you how you can enable the advanced features of your FCA field controller. To enable the advanced features of your FCA field controller, we go to Data Table, Device Setup, Advanced Settings, and Controller Mode. If your FCA has just been delivered to you, it is still set to Controller Mode Legacy Mode. This means it behaves like a FC3 field controller, like you're used to it. If you want to activate now the advanced features, we set the controller mode to advanced mode. You see that now the operating modes and the stop mode get illuminated in yellow. This way you can directly see if the FCA field controller is set to the legacy mode or to advanced mode. Let's go back to the main menu and have a look again to the data table menu. We now see that we have here a new option that is called the assignments. The assignment actually says which of the addresses, the module addresses that we see here, is served on which of the 5 outputs, and this is written over here. So right now, for instance, address 01 will be shot on the output number 1, number 2, 3, 4, and 5, as indicated here. I can now edit this, like I can take out them one by one. So now address 01 would not be shot on any of the outputs. And now I take in 3 again, and now 01 would be shot on output number 3. I can do this for all the addresses here, individually. I can also use the 0 to take out all or put in all of the outputs for the specific address, and I can edit the assignment table by hand with this option. Alright, it's quite nice that we can edit the assignment table by hand in edit mode. However, this is not so handy in the practical use. In general, you scripted your show and you also already have an idea of how you want to split up the lines, but you don't really want to go to the edit mode and put in all the assignments by hand. So we have a more practical way of doing that. So when you finished setting up your fireworks show and you splitted it to several lines, you plug in the lines to the field controller and let the field controller automatically scan which of the modules are present on which of the lines. So you don't actually have to do the table. The assignment table is generated by the field controller for you. So let's see how this is done. We go to check status and we turn the key over to check if it's safe to do so. And now we see that we have a new option called Auto Assignment Scan. If we select this option, all the outputs will scan through if they can find all addresses possible. So each of the outputs will scan for address 00 to 7F. And it will make a table of what was found on which of the outputs. So this way the field controller generates the assignment table for you. So let's go over to the setup and scan a real network. We have here our 5 lines. The line number 1 with 3 FMs, line number 2, line number 3, 4, and 5. And now we do the automated lines assignment scan. So now you see also the yellow in the indicators on the outputs that tells you that you found the FMs there. Of course, we only have 15 modules connected, so all the rest of the scanning here, since it goes up to 7F, is not finding anything in the higher address values. Okay, the auto assignment scan has finished. Now let's look what it really found in the assignment table. We go to data table. Of course, we've turned back the key and we hit the 4 to access the assignments. Of course, address 00 was not found. Address 01 was found on output 1 as well as address 02 and 03. Then the next 3 addresses are found on the output number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5, and there are no other addresses present in this network. So the field controller now knows which of the modules are connected to which of the outputs, and this information is held in the so-called assignment table that we have in front of us. Using this table, the field controller is able to now optimize for rapid firing. Okay, now we would be ready to go to fire. You will see the demonstration in the next video. There we will compare the firing capabilities of the FC3 and the FCA. See you in the next video. Bye.